Ever wondered how tiny houses get certified? Well, we're here to explain how it's done. Welcome to the fascinating world of tiny houses, a rapidly growing trend that's taken the housing world by storm. These compact yet cozy abodes offer an appealing alternative to traditional housing, but like all homes, they need to meet certain standards to ensure they're safe and livable. That's where certification comes into play. Enter the National Organization of Alternative Housing, or NOAA for short. Since its establishment in 2015, NOAA has been a guiding force in the tiny house community, uniting everyone from manufacturers to DIY builders and lenders under its umbrella. With a commitment to safety and quality, NOAA has set the bar high for tiny house certification, ensuring that each home is inspected thoroughly at various stages of construction. Now that you know the importance of certification, let's delve into the NOAA certification process. The NOAA certification is not just a sticker slapped on at the end, it involves meticulous inspection at various stages. NOAA's certification process is a journey, one that begins well before a tiny home is complete. It starts when the tiny home is just a foundation or a base on a trailer. At this initial stage, NOAA inspectors ensure that the groundwork is solid and secure. After all, a house, no matter how tiny, is only as good as its foundation. From there, it's on to the next phase: attachment systems and framing. This is where the skeleton of the tiny home starts to take shape. NOAA inspectors check that the framing is robust and that the attachment systems are secure. They want to ensure that the house is strong enough to stand up to the test of time and elements. Next comes the all-trades inspection. This might sound like a jumble of jargon, but in essence, it's about the critical systems that make a house a home. We're talking electrical, plumbing, and HVAC, the heart, veins, and lungs of your tiny home, if you will. NOAA inspectors make sure these systems are installed correctly and safely because a tiny house should be as functional as it is charming. Finally, the last stage of inspection is upon completion, when the tiny home is ready to welcome its first inhabitants. This is when NOAA inspectors ensure the insulation is up to code. After all, a well-insulated home is a warm and cozy home, and who wouldn't want that? As you can see, NOAA's certification process is thorough and rigorous. It's about more than just ticking boxes. It's about ensuring that every tiny home is safe, secure, and built to last. So when you see a tiny house with the NOAA seal of approval, you can rest assured that it's not just a house. It's a home, a well-built, well-inspected, and well-loved home. By the time a tiny house gets the NOAA seal of approval, it's already undergone a thorough and rigorous inspection process. Now that we've walked through the process, let's talk about the NOAA standard. At its core, the NOAA standard is all about defining and ensuring the quality of tiny houses on wheels, otherwise known as httos. According to NOAA, a htto is a cozy yet completely functional living space ranging from 70 to 400 square feet on the first floor. This doesn't include any lofts, mind you. Every htto must have all the essentials: a sleeping area, a kitchen, and a bathroom. But the NOAA standard doesn't stop at just defining what a htto is. It ensures that each tiny house is compliant with codes from several nationally accredited organizations. This includes standards for fire protection and electrical systems. Safety is not a corner to be cut in a tiny home, that's not all. A NOAA-certified home is built to resist the forces of nature. We're talking about the ability to withstand hurricane winds, heavy snowfall, and even earthquakes rated up to 6.5 on the Richter scale. Finally, the NOAA standard sets requirements for moisture barriers and insulation to ensure your tiny house stays warm and dry. It also mandates safety exits in every sleeping area. All windows must be double-paned, and there must be a primary and secondary means of egress or exit. A NOAA-certified home is not just tiny, it's safe, secure, and built to last. So that's how tiny houses get their certification from NOAA. This detailed process, from the early inspection of just a foundation or a trailer base through the various construction stages to the final review, ensures each home meets the stringent NOAA standard. This standard, encompassing everything from size requirements to withstanding natural disasters, guarantees that each NOAA-certified home is safe, functional, and up to code. Next time you see a tiny house, you'll know exactly what it means when it carries the NOAA seal of approval. Until then, keep building and keep dreaming tiny.